What is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm, as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to BillyIkea, the coin that, gives you that nostalgic feeling, or maybe the current feeling, because a lot of you love IKEA still. But the most important thing here is that you could be part of literally some furniture, virtual furniture here, and you're making money. Ladies and gentlemen, right? Or, future millionaires and billionaires. It says, I'm billion. Yes, you might recognize me. I'm not just a bookshelf. I'm the bookshelf for decades. I've been a top-selling icon in the most famous furniture store, gracing homes and organizing lives around the globe. You could say I've seen it all, from dusty textbooks to cherished family photos. I've held the foundations of countless dreams. But here's a little secret. I have a dream of my own. I want to be a billionaire bookshelf, and guess what? I believe the path to massive wealth, just like the path to a perfectly organized home, starts with making smart, strategic, and organized decisions. There you have it, okay? So really good tokenomics. We're talking about 100% liquidity pool burn, 0% buy and sell taxes. I mean, I've spoken about it already twice. And, the interesting thing about Billy is that it can move. Yes, it moved down, a lot, but now is the opportunity to actually load up at a coin that is sitting at a very low market cap. The phases here are very, very clear. Look at this, very specific social media targets, specific numbers, different exchanges. You've got everything coming, and they know exactly how to take coins very far because they have had experience doing this multiple times. This is not just the first time. So really excited about it. I think everything's going to be achieved here. And it is just starting off. Simple as that. Okay. So furniture, guys, I mean, I don't know if you've ever bought IKEA, but everybody should know it by now. Really nice that there's actually a community like this where you could actually make money out of it. Now, you can go join the socials. Very important, with lots and lots of exchanges being announced, with lots of interesting partnerships. They are just starting off. Simple as that. Now, also another important thing that needs to be mentioned, ladies and gentlemen, there's a partnership with Supreme. Okay, so for the merch, that's very important. And they're going to have a game coming up. You've got the CoinGecko listing, like lots of exciting things. Now, if you look at the graph, yeah, it kind of looks like it went up, then down. But this happens a lot. Like every single coin that I cover goes up and then down. It's normal. But guess what? It's still sitting at a good market cap of around 52K, which means that if it goes over 1 million, which it will do very easily, that's an easy 20x, guys. And from then on, it could go into millions and millions, and you're looking at 100x and 200x and so on. So really, really nice to see this. Volume is going to start kicking in. The buying is kicking in. Everything's going in. Simple as that. So it is time to, stack up your shelves, load up your shelves, get ready to set to the moon. That's it. Join the social, see what they're doing, see what it's all about. I mean, I know sometimes it's very hard to trust and just go in like that, straight away with no reason. But guys, when you have, coins that are working already on merch, that's exciting. That means they have a long-term vision, updating the website, updating all sorts of different features, bringing out God knows what. I mean, there's just going to be so many announcements in regards to this. So if you like to diversify your bags, if you like to have different plays, then hey, it is what it is. You literally have an opportunity in front of you. Yes, it's high risk, obviously low market cap, but hey, you cannot get a big reward without risking, especially as now, the altcoin season is going to be kicking in. Everybody's going to be pouring in loads of money. So excitement is definitely in the air. The only question is, are you going to take advantage of it? And if you are, then there you have it. Simple, easy, and ready to explode. Absolutely love this, okay? Good on Billy. And I think the excitement that Billy is going to bring on and what it's going to be cooking for us is just the beginning. So let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. Work for your bags. Spread the message. And greatness will come for sure. Okay? It will. And when it does, then guys, you could always say thank you to me, because I got it nice and early for you. But, let's see what the future holds. Also on top of it, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that great stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.